We weren't recording.
Yeah, we weren't. We weren't. Nice little one.
Yeah, put him in the aquarium. Look at it on the side of his face. Working now. Right here, dude.
Got a nice one.
It ain't as big as that one you just had, but
Bigger than the ones they got before the
yeah.
big one I got.
You thought you were gonna eat that little fluke and just move on with your day, didn't you?
Yeah, look at you.
No, I came kind of good.
Oh, I got one.
There you
He's
go.
little, I think. Oh, he's tiny. Oh, whatever. He got off.
Was that a bass?
I think so. I think it was just a little tiny. Oh, there's a good fish.
Got him?
Yeah, I think. Yeah, I still got him. Oh, no, that's not a good fish. Never mind. That was just a big blow up.
Yeah, hold him up a while.
Good boy.
Right here. Oh man, took it.
You got one?
Yep.
Keep it on. Keep it on.
Lay down.
Is it a nice one?
Ooh, right here.
Got one? Like net? I mean,
No. I couldn't tell at first. Calm down. What do you do with my fluke?
maybe the little fish like spaz out when you get them up here.
Yeah.
Like, ah. Well, you're bleeding pretty bad, aren't you, bud?
Oh, yeah, isn't it?
Oh, that was a spinner bait.
If you need to wipe your hands, I'll just use my sweatshirt. There you go.
A little tiny thing.
Is that on that flopper? Did you get him on that whopper flopper?
Yeah.
Yep. Nice. Yeah, don't get them hooks in you.
This turned out, I get. Dude, what the heck, bro? Chill.
Put him in your aquarium.
What?
Put him in your aquarium. There you go.
I can boat flip him.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, he's alright.
Yeah, just try to, if you hold them by their lip,
Yeah.
it usually will calm them down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like that, yeah. Look at this.
Want some salad? Huh?
There you go. We got it. Nice, good boy. That's what, 3 now? 4?
Yeah.
Could have been 4.
Got another tiny little fish.
Going on.
Look at this tiny thing. Get the wacky rig. Grab him.
Yeah.
Wait, bud.
he's tiny.
There you go.
I think you got a
I couldn't even that.
I think you
Oh my god.
Bring her up here. Real slow. Oh, that's a bass. That's a nice bass. There you go.
Yeah. Finally, nice bass.
Yeah, you foul hooked her.
Yeah, she jumped out of the water like completely. I saw her at the side. Like I saw the side of her.
Get my pliers ready. I don't even know.
Cause yeah, like I just saw the left side of it, like a foot off the water. I was like, sorry, bud.
Get one side out. This one here is the one I don't know
About. It's hooked around your thing, your thing on your neck. You gotta go down, like pull your thing up. There you go.
This here is, I've never seen a bass hooked like this before.
I actually don't. Well, I want to see it. What does it look like? Oh my god.
I don't even
That's
know.
like hooked every single which way.
It's all in its gill. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to stop. I do not want to hook in my finger. Let's weigh it.
Wait.
Yeah, because this might be your biggest.
Probably. I think it might be just a little bit bigger than my biggest one. God.
Hold it tight,
Yeah,
and keep it in here
Yeah.
so we don't lose this one.
Hey, it's a nice, healthy bass.
All right. Clamp this off.
You got him.
Yep. What was your biggest?
Yes.
What was?
I think it's like almost 3 pounds.
Okay, well, you're 3.
3. Dang.
Stop. I understand you don't like it. We're gonna let you go.
Yeah, luckily for you, we're not catching and keeping today.
Hold this in front of that GoPro, and then I'm gonna get my camera just in case my GoPros are acting
Woo!
fucking weird today.
Look at that. That's a good bass.
All right, hold her up. And then hold it like that.
Sweet.
Cool.
All right.
Let's stop this thing.
Fishy.
That one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah. See? Told you that was a good one.
Yep. Relax, bro. Chill.
Here,
You're
use some
tangling yourself up.
pliers. Always use some pliers on shit like that because they're flopping around. You're just gonna get a
Here, get a hook.
hook in your
Thank you.
finger. You don't want that.
Mm-mm. And yeah, now he's all tangled up because he's a spaz. I got him twice. Dang, stop. Stop!
Want me to get him?
Yes. Because he's making me mad. I'm about to keep him and kill him.
Here we go. That you side of your head first. Man, he's got it all tangled up, don't he?
Yeah.
Man. Well, he wasn't getting off. I don't have no. There we go. There we go.
Get him all entangled. There we go, got him.
Hold him up in front of that.
Not too bad.
Nice one.
Yeah. It's alright.